Phrasal Verbs Unveiled. Unlocking the magic of English language. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we will delve into a fascinating, albeit sometimes tricky, part of English grammar: phrasal verbs. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what phrasal verbs are and how to use them in your daily conversation. Phrasal verbs are unique expressions in English that combine a verb and one or more particles. Particles can be prepositions, like up, down, in, out, etc., or adverbs, like away, back, through, etc. For example, the word give is a verb, and up is a preposition. When combined, give up forms a phrasal verb that means to stop doing something or surrender. Phrasal verbs can be categorized into three main types. 1. Intransitive phrasal verbs. These are phrasal verbs that don't require an object. For instance, wake up. 2. Transitive phrasal verbs. These require an object to make sense. An example is turn on, as in, turn on the light. 3. Separable and inseparable phrasal verbs. Some transitive phrasal verbs can be separated by their object, turn the light on, while others cannot, run into a friend. Understanding these types is essential for correct usage of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are crucial in English because they allow for more nuanced communication. They add color and variety to the language, helping you express complex thoughts and feelings with simple words. Plus, they're commonly used in both spoken and written English, making them an essential part of language mastery. Phrasal verbs might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. With practice and patience, you'll get the hang of it. Today, we have introduced the concept of phrasal verbs and highlighted their importance. In our upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into this topic and explore various commonly used phrasal verbs. So stay tuned, keep practicing, and soon you'll be using phrasal verbs like a native speaker. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.